guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Gerard Cosmetics box, and this is the mini mystery box or small mystery box, I don't know, but this is the smallest one, and I forgot how much I paid, but it's this one right here. I'm going to open it up. I've actually had this box sitting on my table for like the past week, but since I have too much homework, I didn't have time. But today I made time. So this is what it looks like inside. It comes with the little packing slip. It doesn't say how much I paid. But anyways, it comes with a card. It says Gerard Cosmetics GC Love Boxes. Okay, so this is the gratitude box, and I paid $25. And they also have different sizes. They have platinum and diamond. And well, I couldn't afford the other bigger ones because they're kind of pricey for me right now. But anyways, here are the items that I got. I'm super excited. And this is a super cute box. It has like a note right here. It says,
"Hi beautiful, thank you so much for your order and welcome to our JC family. We hope this very special delivery has made your day a little bit brighter. Makeup is our creative outlet and it is a dream come true to share our passion with you. Your feedback and support on social media has been key to our success, and we have nothing but love when we see you wearing our lip colors or sharing your product hauls with us. Join our hashtag GC Squad USA only for exclusive sales and pre-sale access to new products by texting GC Squad to 41400. We love you and can't wait to unveil the new products we've been working on. Please keep in touch. Much love, Jen Gerard."
So yeah, super cute and adorable. Okay, anyways, so I got 4 full-size products. So I'm going to begin with this one right here. It is the Gerard Cosmetics Long Wear Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Adam and Eve. And it comes in this little box here, super cute. And here is the shade Adam and Eve. That's a cute name. I'm going to open it up. Hopefully it's a cute shade that I could wear. This is the first product that I got. It's super cute. I love the packaging. Look at that. It reminds me of like a lollipop or something. So this is the liquid lipstick. It looks like a pretty shade. So I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, that's really pretty. So look at that. It's like a peachy shade. It's super pretty, and actually it might be a little too light, but I mean I could always pair it with something else. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like cupcakes. So I really like the smell. It's not too strong. So anyways, I'm super happy that I got this. Okay, now the next product. It is a lip pencil in the shade Underground. It's this one right here, and it comes in this box. So let's check it out. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that. It looks like a fancy lip liner, but I think it's a brown. Look at that. It's like a taupey color. I think that's what it's called. Oh gosh, why am I so colorblind? But I'm not gonna swatch it because look at that. It looks like a brown. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to put it in a future giveaway. I mean, I did open it, but it didn't have like the plastic thing. If you guys don't want me to put in a giveaway, I won't put in a giveaway. Okay, the next product is this one right here, and it is a Supreme Lip Cream. And it comes in this little box right here, and it is in the shade Wild Berry Tart. So let me open it up. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. So pretty. So I'm going to be keeping this one because why not? Ooh, look at that. There's an applicator. This is a very pretty shade. Look at that. So pretty. I'm not sure what it smells like. It smells good to me. It smells like wood, or like the inside of Lowe's or like Home Depot. I don't know. Is that weird? But it's super pretty. So very happy with this. Okay, the last product that I got, it is Slay All Day Setting Spray. Cool. And it's this one right here. Super cute box. And let me open it up. Slay All Day Setting Spray. Directions: spray before or after your makeup application to keep your face fresh and flawless. Keeps the skin matte and increases the wear time of your makeup. So I'm definitely going to keep this because if you guys don't know, I have super oily skin, if you guys can tell right now. So hopefully this helps me so I don't get so oily and hopefully my makeup stays on my face. So yeah, I'm super happy with this. I'm not gonna apply some right now because my face is too oily and I might take off my makeup right now. But anyways, that is everything that I got in my little box right here. I liked 3 products and 1 product I didn't really like because it was a lip liner. But anyways, let me know if you guys have also got this box before. What did you guys think? Did you guys also get the same products as I did, or does everyone get different things? Let me know in the comments below. And well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.